Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. And today in this video guys, we are going to learn about uh, observability zone and use observability zone in your app. Okay, so it is one of the very important uh, concept and subject where we can use Azure observability zone, okay, on applications or in your applications. So we will understand all those things. So guys, here first of all we should know what is observability zone. Okay, so observability zone or zones are physical separate data center within an Azure region. Okay, very simple. Definitely there will be a question like they will cut this much. Okay, they will give you blank and this much definition. Then are physically separated data centers within an Azure region, and each availability zone is made up of one or more data centers equipped with independent power, cooling, and networking. So availability zone is nothing but what it is actually a separate data center within a Azure region. Okay, the first thing, and they have their separate equipment like power supply, cooling, networking, and all. And apart from this, an availability zone is set up to be an isolation boundary. Yes, if one zone goes down, the another continues working. And availability zones are connected through high-speed private fiber optic networks. So they are highly, you know, highly speed private fiber network connection, basically optic that two optic networks. Okay, and they are isolation boundary basically, and if one goes down the other will take charge, or the other continues working. Okay, this is all about availability zone. Availability zone is nothing but data center. Okay, for example, let me show you. This is one reason you have. Okay, this is a complete reason, and you have here three data center. This is one availability zone you can consider, and this is second availability zone or data center, or this is third. So all three will be connected to each other. If this third goes down, user who is connected nearby this will be able to access their application and resources. Okay, and the user who is connected with this side nearby, they will be accessing their applications from this availability zone. And if two goes down, then everybody will be accessing their application or resources from this zone, but the entire production will not be down at one time, because it is not possible. They will give some sort of surety. Yes, if one goes down, still two will be working. Okay, for example, here power failure is there at two data center, so it doesn't mean that at one and three also power failure will be there, because this is located in, for example, Delhi, and this is located in Bangalore, and this is located in Calcutta. So if Calcutta power is down, Delhi and Bangalore will be functioning properly. Okay, so this is how availability zone works. And apart from this, to ensure resiliency, a minimum of three separate availability zones are present in all availability zone enabled regions. However, not all Azure region currently support availability zone. So yes, there is a you can say like limitation. It is not like every region will support availability zone. There are somewhere like it is limited or not available, but at least there should be three availability zone in one region. Okay, and let's see, use availability zone in your app. How you can use? So guys, you want to ensure your services and data are redundant, so you can protect your information in case of failure. Yes, you want surety. This like my data should be protected in case of failure. Any failure occurs when you host your infrastructure, Setting up your own redundancy require that you create duplicate hardware environment. Azure can help make your app highly available through availability zone. So this is a, like, like if we are talking about traditional data center, then what we will have to do, we will have to use one server room here and one server room here, and this will be your redundant. So you would require two servers. Okay, I'm just giving an example. But here, without that requirement, Azure can help you to enable availability zone and make high availability. Okay, to give continuous service to your applications. And you can use availability zone to run mission critical applications and build high availability into your application architecture by co-locating your compute, storage, networking, and data resources within an availability zone, and replicating in other availability zone. Apart from this, keep in mind that there could be a cost to duplicating your services and transferring data between availability zone. Yes, it may charge you something, some sort of amount. Okay, and apart from this, like, availability zones are primarily for virtual machines, managed disk, and load balancers. Apart from SQL database, Azure services that support availability zone fall into three categories. So there are three categories. One is zonal service. Okay, what does it mean actually? You pin the resources to a specific zone. For example, virtual machine, VMs, managed disk, and IP addresses. It is a zonal specific zone. Okay, and the next one is zone redundant service. So the platform replicates automatically across zone. For example, zone redundant storage, SQL database. Okay, this is the second one. What is that? Zone redundant. Now let's see the third one. Third one is non-regional service. So what is this actually? Let me tell you. So guys, services are always available from Azure geography and are resilient to zone-wide outages as well as region-wide outages. Okay, and even with the additional resiliency the availability zone provide, it's possible that an event could be so larger that it impacts multiple availability zone in a single region. To provide an to provide even further resiliency, Azure has region pair. Okay, so guys, yes, there is a possibility because nothing is certain. They try to give you 100% uptime, but yes, all can be all can be down at a one time. All entire region, full entire region can be down. In that condition, what is useful? In that condition, like, to provide even further resiliency, Azure has region pairs. Okay, so this region will again be paired with another region. Okay, this is the concept. So again, we will have a copy of all three at one location. So this is one reason and this is one reason. You can consider you have three server. Now I'm changing the scenario. You can consider these are the three data center you have in Bangalore. Okay, and this is your Delhi. So for example, in Bangalore one goes down, so still application can be accessible from here, but entire Bangalore region is down. In that condition, region pairing will help you. So from other region, uh, your application should be accessible, and data resources whatever it is should be accessible to customer and consumer. So this is the use of uh, region pairing. I have created a separate video for a region pair subject topic, so you can go through my channel and see from that. And guys, here my video is completed, and I hope this information was informative for you, and you know what you have to do. You can see on your screen. And in next video, what we are going to see, like, we will see additional advantages of region pairs and sovereign regions. Okay, what does it mean? and that is I'm going to cover in next video. So be with my channel, just subscribe it and like it, comment it, and I will be sharing this in my next video. Till then, bye bye.